Hey YouTube, today Gentry's going to be building a fishing boat with these awesome Tinker toys. He's had these for quite a while. You can see right here on the box what it looks like. I'm going to let him take over and he's going to go through and he's going to show you the different parts he's going to use to build this.
We need 4 of these, and we need 4 of these. We need 4 of these. We need 4 of these. We need 4. Did I already do these? We need 4 of these. And we need 4 of these.
So we got 4 of each different one here. These look like glow sticks or something, don't they? So there's yellow ones and there's orange ones. Got these red little gate pieces. These almost look like wheels with their circles. And then, what do you call these, Gentry? Do these have a certain name, you think?
Paddles.
Paddles? All right. So, he's going to get started.
This will go right there. And then that will go right there. And this will go right there. Okay.
So it kind of works like a hinge a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that goes right there. There we go. Okay. And then this goes right there. Like that. And then this goes on like this. And then this goes right to there.
So we're using all 4 of the yellows and all 4 of the reds all at once, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
There we go.
So you made a cube.
There we go.
That's what it looked. Oops. So this is what he has so far. It flexes a little bit. As you can see, it's a cube. All right, Gentry, what do we do next?
So you do this, which it goes that. This goes right there, like that. Oop, fell. There we go. There. And that goes on the other side. Ooh, and then then we need another one of these. We need another one of these. There we go. And then we need another one of these. And then we need these for the back like that.
Okay, so they set a little bit different than these other ones, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because these are the propellers. They're gonna go backwards.
Oh, that makes perfect sense. Okay. So it's kind of a cube inside of this cube with one of those glow stick looking pieces right there going through it.
Okay.
Makes sense. Okay.
And then the paddle goes right there, and then the other one, and then these go to the side, so they can paddle. And
All right. So how does this fishing boat work then? So are these going to be able to spin and they can help move it, and then those ones help turn it? Is that how that works? Kind of like motors?
these ones push it.
Okay. Okay.
And then these they float and then these things make it float.
Okay. What does this part do right here?
It catches fish.
No way.
It catches
That's
fish.
pretty cool. We're gonna have to try that in a little bit. We're gonna have to see if this thing will catch some fish. What do you think about that?
Yeah.
All right. Filling up the ocean.
Yep. There's the fish we're gonna catch.
Two turtles.
There's yep, 2 fish and 2 turtles.
All right. So this is a fishing boat, right? So is it gonna float? Because if it sank, it would be called what? A submarine, right? Like it'd be interesting, like a submarine fishing boat.
I'm flicking water.
All right, it is starting to float now. I think that turtle wants to be caught. Look at it.
Yeah, he wants to be caught. Why do you want to be caught, sir? Sir, why do you want to be caught? The boat's floating. Will it catch the turtle? Yep, it did. I'm gonna eat it now. Nom 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 nom. No,
Poor turtle.
no, no.
What else you gotta catch?
I'm gonna catch this. Caught a fish. I'm gonna eat. See who's.
Will any of them escape? Can they escape that thing?
Oh, there went one. I'm gonna.
It's like a pink pufferfish. Can the fish not escape this net? I guess not, huh?
I'm gonna eat him.